Hey everyone, Eli Richardson here. Welcome to day 2 of 30 for this series in how to build a profitable online business. Now today we're going to be covering a recap of day number 1, which if you haven't seen it, make sure you go back and watch it. It's going to give you an introduction to what this 30-day training is all about. And it's also going to help you redefine and rebuild your relationship with our goal, which is $10,000 per month. We're also going to talk about why most people fail online when it comes to building an online business. We're going to be talking about the 2 main options that you have when it comes to building this business to $10,000 per month or more. And we're going to be talking about brainstorming and why brainstorming is so important. Now, I just want to say quickly, if you watched yesterday and you felt this is great, but you need some more help, make sure you go to elirichardsonmentoring.com and we can have a quick chat and see if we are a good fit to help you with your business. Let's do a quick recap of yesterday. Okay, yesterday we talked about this goal of building a $10,000 per month business and why $10,000 per month is so life-changing to so many people. $10,000 per month, to most people would radically change their lives, whether that's allowing them to quit their 9-to-5 job or just give them some more security so they don't have one person controlling their life that when they rock up to work one day, they just say, you're fired, okay? Which is a scary place to be. $10,000 per month is a massive number for most people, and that's why our goal for this training series is to help people build a $10,000 per month business. We also talked yesterday about how this is actually going to take work on your part, okay? This isn't about getting rich quick. If you come to building an online business with the get rich quick mindset, you're going to really struggle, okay? Because that's a very short-term thinking. And the truth is, building an online business is actually not that complicated, especially to $10,000 per month. But it does take hard work, and just because it's simple doesn't necessarily mean it's easy. So it might not happen overnight, it might not be a walk in the park for you, but as long as you have determination, focus, and a willingness to put in the action to reach this goal, you definitely can succeed. Let's talk about why most people fail. So this is important because if you don't know why most people fail, then you're probably going to fail and you're probably going to fall into a lot of those pitfalls that so many people who are passionate about building an online business, but they just fall into these pitfalls. So I'm going to help you avoid that. So most people fail because 1, they don't treat it like an online business. I'm not teaching you how to build a side hustle or how to have a new hobby. I'm teaching you how to build an online business that can radically change your life, okay? And you have to treat it like just that, a business. We're not dabblers. I'm not a dabbler. I go all in, okay? And I need you to go all in as well. And that's really important, okay? Because if you just think this is going to be easy or something you can just do with a little bit of focus, a little bit of your attention, then you're probably going to only have a little bit of success, if any, okay? But when you fully commit to building a business, an online business, you're going to treat it like one and you're going to get much bigger rewards from it as a result of you putting in more focus and more attention and more energy and time and commitment into your business. Another reason why most people fail is that most people play the victim and they just don't take responsibility for their results, for their actions. So you have to understand that where you are in life right now is your fault. It's only your fault, and it is always going to be your fault. It's not the government, it's not your parents, it's not your friends, it's not society, it's not the place you live, it's not your religion, it's none of that, okay? It's always your fault. Where you are right now, you designed it to spec. All of the choices that you made in your life have led you up to this point right now. For example, when I was a broke-ass uni student, right, living on government assistance, that was my fault. It was not anybody else's fault. I made those decisions that got me to that point, and it was on me. And it's on you as well. And when you take full responsibility, you empower yourself because you give yourself the control. Okay, when it's your fault, it means that you can change where you are right now. But if it's somebody else's fault, then you don't have any power. The control is on a force that's outside of you, okay? So take control, take full responsibility, and understand that no course, no coach, no program, nobody owes you success. Success is always on you, okay? Even if you pay for help, pay for a course, It's always your responsibility, your success. So wherever you are right now, I just want you to say with me right now, this is so important. The success of my business is my responsibility and nobody else's. Say that with me right now. The success of my business is my responsibility and nobody else's, okay? It's so important you understand that. Don't play the victim ever, okay? Because then you give away control and you can't change. When you take responsibility, you can change where you are right now and you can move forward. Let's talk now about the two options. We talked about yesterday, this training isn't going to be focusing on e-commerce. It's not going to be focusing on information products or an agency. We're going to be focusing on reaching this $10,000 per mark the fastest way possible. And the fastest way possible to do that is through selling our own services and promoting other people's products and offers, otherwise known as affiliate marketing. When I was designing this program for you guys, there are two ways that I was thinking that this could work. And the truth is, the first way, a little bit more of an easy way, but it's not the fastest way, okay? And I don't want to teach you that because I want to really get you results. So the first way, I'll explain what that is. So the first way is when you are going out and you are just promoting to somebody else. You are going out, you are just promoting to somebody else's offer, which is just basic affiliate marketing. The thing is, with this, if you remember yesterday, our magic number that we need to hit every single day is $333, right? To do that, we're not selling a $10 product. We're not getting paid a very small amount of money. The magic number is $100 per sale that we need to make minimum. If we're selling a $150 offer, we need 2 people. If we're selling a $300 offer, we need 1 person to pretty much reach that $333 per day mark. The problem is with basic affiliate marketing, when you go out and you're selling somebody's offer, which for example is $100, even if you get 50% commissions, which is quite a lot, you only get $50. Okay, and that's not enough. Remembering our magic number is we're trying to get $100 per sale at least. So even if you're getting 50% commissions, you're not earning enough money. The second way of doing this is what I've done in the past. I actually do both of these, but the second way is the way that's going to allow you to reach that $10,000 per mark number very quickly. This is where you have a service and your own offer, and you go and promote that service and your own offer to somebody else. And you're not just promoting any old offer, you're promoting a high value service that can provide somebody with the results that they want. And when you're providing a high value service, you can charge more, okay? And that's what this is all about. So instead of getting $50 per sale commissions, when you have your own service, you can charge easily $100, $200, $300 or more. And that's really where the bigger money lies. It's having your own service. For example, when I started out online, I was really interested in sales funnels, and I went around to local businesses and I said to local businesses, I educated them about what a sales funnel is. It's a way to get leads and sales online. I went into local businesses and said to them, hey, I'll build you this sales funnel completely for free, and all I need you to do is I need you to get these certain softwares where I earned an affiliate commission on those softwares. I'm going to build you this funnel that will help grow your business completely for free. And then after I've built that and after you're getting results, we can discuss payment, which was between about $300 to $500, which is extremely cheap and underpriced for sales funnels, because most people in the industry are charging between $3,000, $5,000, maybe even $10,000 for a sales funnel. I was selling it for $300 or $500 after people actually got results with their funnels. So I was able to make a lot more money doing this. This is really where the bigger money lies, okay? So it's having your own service and promoting that service, also making affiliate commissions by referring people the softwares and tools that they need as well. If you're sitting there thinking, well, this is all well and good, but I don't really have any high value skills or high value services that I can promote. Okay, this is where brainstorming comes in. So don't worry, if that's you, I got you covered. So I'm gonna rub this out quickly. And guys, if you need any help at all building this, definitely go check out EliRichardsonMentoring.com. Be happy to have a chat with you and see if we can help you grow your business. So let's talk about brainstorming now. Now, brainstorming is incredibly important, okay? Most people just rush into their business and open their laptop and then they're like, okay, what do I do now? They didn't even take any time to think about what it is they're actually doing. They just open their laptop and hope that it's gonna work out. Taking a second, taking a minute to actually think about what it is you want to do, what you're going to achieve, is gonna be far more effective than you just whipping open your laptop and hoping that the answer will jump out at you, and that's never the case, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do, and this is gonna be your homework, is you're going to list out the skills that you have currently. Okay, what skills do you have right now? Do you know anything about technology, anything about website design? Do you have any experience with something like sales funnels or running paid advertisements? Do you actually have any skills right now? That's going to be really important. And if you do have some skills, I want you to list them down here, right? Just in a notepad, on a piece of paper, list down the skills that you have. Do you know how to design funnels? Do you know how to design a WordPress website, a simple WordPress website? What are some skills that people or businesses would pay money for? I know a lot of you guys might be watching me from an e-commerce point of view. Do any of you guys know how to design a Shopify store, for example? Okay, people will pay money for something as simple as that. List out some skills that you have. Then I want you to list out some possible services that you can offer. What skills do you have that you could actually position as a service that you could go out there and promote to somebody? If it's got anything to do with helping people build an online business, funnels, websites, Shopify stores, email marketing, anything like that, you can easily start charging at least $300 per service. That's what I want you to do after this video is done, okay? Not just yet. Skills, services. Now, if you're not sure or you don't feel like you have any skills or any services, and you think, I'm really good at watching Netflix, then it's time for you to get out there and learn some stuff. Learn a skill. If you don't have any skills, list out some services that you know, okay? Something that you feel like you would be interested in learning. And trust me, learning a skill isn't that hard. And a lot of the time, it's knowing more than the person that you're selling to. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have, tons of testimonials. Like I said, when I first started, for example, I didn't have any skills. Nobody has any skills, man, when they start out. Right? It's just how it works. You learn skills over time. I was really interested in this thing called funnels. And I still am. I love them. I use them in my business all the time. Okay, I was really interested in this thing called funnels, but I didn't have any testimonials. I had never worked for any past clients before. I went out and I really immersed myself in what this funnel thing was. I learned how to do it, how to build them. And then I said to a business, I don't have any testimonials here for you, but I know how to do this. I'll build this thing for you for free that will help you get leads into your business automatically. And then once you get results, I'd like a testimonial and we can discuss payment, okay? And I got people really good results with this and I didn't have any past experience. So that's a great way to do it as well. Offer them a result first and say, hey, after this is finished, maybe then we can discuss, payment. And most people would be happy with that, providing you can deliver a good service. And if you, for whatever reason, struggle a little bit, then no harm, no foul. Nobody's really lost anything, okay? It's not like they've paid for a service that you haven't been able to deliver on. And that was a great way, and that's how I started. And now, I've got so much experience. My agency was to offer you a funnel. We'd be charging, $2,000, $3,000 or more to get that built for you. At the start, I built that for free for them, okay? And you can charge more as you get more experience and results and understanding of how it all works. Okay, so that's your homework for today, guys, is list out your skills, list out some services you can offer. If you don't have any skills, I want you to think what services you could offer. Go to YouTube and start learning. Type in funnels, go into the rabbit hole, complete immersion, and start learning that skill. And then you're going to have something to offer because you're going to know more than whoever it is you're selling to. And guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So this is day number 2 of 30. If you haven't seen day number 1, definitely want to go back and watch it. I'm going to be releasing one video each day to you guys for the next 30 days or 28 days now. If you need any help with your business or with getting any of this set up, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com. Love to have a chat with you about your business and help you get to that $10,000 per month mark. That's it from me, guys. Make sure you stay tuned to tomorrow's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Would super appreciate that, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.